Fresh leak has given us clear how the Luna 360 variant will look like before the official debut. A report from the new camera reveals hand-on photograph of the upcoming Luna series with the key specification pulled out from the on-screen menu. The Luna lineup, co-developed by Insta360 and Leica, was shown briefly at the NEB show 2026. The reveal was more of a teaser than a full-fledged debut. The Luna series is set to have an 1-inch sensor pad with f1.8 lens, supporting 10-bit iLog color and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. The interface lists 8K recording as an option alongside 4K and 2.7K, although it's not clear if 8K is fully supported at launch or will arrive later with software update. What stands out is the design. The camera appears to use what describes as twisted modular design. The gimbal head can be detached or rotated, suggesting that Insta360 may be experimenting with a more flexible form factor. There's a 2-inch OLED touchscreen that flips and rotates, which makes it easier to shoot selfies or frame shot from awkward angle. Brightness could be around 1000 nits. The Luna lineup is expected to split into two main models. The single lens variant could be called the Luna Pro. The dual lens Insta360 Luna Ultra adds a telescopic module along with a wide lens for up to 3x optical, 6x lossless zoom. This will go head to head with DJI Pocket Series worldwide. There is no official date when it will be launched, but the gimbal may arrive sometime in May.